Welcome back, Year 3. Today we're going to finish writing our instructions. Yesterday we wrote our list of things we needed, and today we are going to write our what to do part of our instructions, which should mean that today we finish them. So for the next part, you may want to pause the video and grab a paper and pencil. And if you didn't watch the BBC bite-sized video on writing instructions after our PowerPoint yesterday, you may want to do that now. You can find it under resources. When you were looking at your instructions last week, one of the things you may have spotted is that instructions have a what to do or a method section, which tells the reader step by step in chronological order what to do. Let's think about that word chronological and what it means for our instructions. It means we need to write our instruction steps in time order. We start with the first thing we need to do and end with the last step we need to do. These steps are often numbered to tell us what order to do them in. Here are some examples. They may look slightly different. You can see some use pictures, some write their instructions with numbers by the side. And that is the type we're going to look at today. Using my example, how to wash a woolly mammoth, I have created my what to do section. As you can see, I've created a subheading, what to do, and numbered my steps. What you need to do. Number 1, firstly, walk your woolly mammoth to a stream or lake where there is plenty of water, making sure you bring everything with you. Number 2, it is important that your woolly mammoth does not suspect they are going to be cleaned, as they're inclined to stop at the first sign of a wash. To stop them becoming suspicious, feed your woolly mammoth treats on the way. Number 3, on arrival at the water, carefully lead your woolly mammoth into the water. Number 4, the next step is to encourage your woolly mammoth to lie on their back. Warning, this is not easy. Top tip. To persuade a woolly mammoth to lie on their back, you can use the feathers to tickle their tummy gently. Most woolly mammoths will immediately lie on their backs with their legs in the air for further tickling. And number 5, it is at this point that you must take your chance to scrub your woolly mammoth vigorously using your brush. So I've not read all the steps that I've created, as we would be here all day. Washing a woolly mammoth is a very lengthy task. But let's take a closer look at what I've done and see how you can earn some of those stars today. The first star is for a subheading underlined. As you can see, I've got what you need to do. The second star is for numbering your steps. So a number for each new step you have. Mine is in blue on the screen. Now next is using time adverbs and other adverbs. So if you remember, you looked at those on Monday, and I've got mine there on pink. Firstly, that's a good time adverb, and then other adverbs are things that say how you're going to do your verb. So you could say, carefully lead your woolly mammoth into the water. Carefully is your adverb. The next is imperative or bossy verbs. So using those verbs, just like feed your woolly mammoth, treats on the way, will get you another star. And the last star you can earn is are your steps written in chronological order? Remember, that's in time order, so the first thing you need to do first. Today, you can also earn some bonus stars for making your instructions extra clear for your reader and giving them extra information. Your first bonus star is for giving your reader a warning. So what do they need to look out for? Your second star, your second bonus star, is for a top tip. Now, quite often instructions have top tips, so they give the reader some good advice on how to make things go more smoothly. And your last bonus star is you can add a last sentence. Now this comes after your very last step, and I'll read mine for you. Enjoy your spotlessly clean pet, but keep a close eye on them near any muddy puddles. It's just a way of signing off. Okay. Now I've given you a word mat so you can help. And on this word mat, you can see some of those time adverbs that you can start your instructions with: next, after, afterwards, now and before. And then also there's some nice bossy verbs there on the other side, which are going to help you. And also we have little Miss Bossy with some advice. She says, I use a verb near the beginning of my sentences to change them into a command. And she has given you a lovely list of bossy verbs to use that are going to be helpful for your instructions, hopefully. Okay. So pause the video and create your what you need to do steps, thinking about what you need to do to earn those stars. There are so many today, you may want to go back and remind yourself while you're writing. When you're done, press play again. Did you collect all those stars? Let's check. Number 1 is for a subheading underlined. Do you have that? Number 2 is for using numbers for your steps. Number 3, using time adverbs or other adverbs. That gives you another star. Number 4, have you used your bossy verbs? Number 5 is your list in chronological order from the first step through to the last. And did you earn any bonus stars for that extra information? Let's have a look. Number 1 is for giving a reader a warning. Have you included that? Number 2, giving your reader a top tip. And the last star is for finishing your instructions with an extra sentence, signing off to your reader. So well done, Year 3. You have completed writing your instructions. Look at all the stars you collected. Tomorrow, you will be testing them out on a member of your family. Good luck and well done.